Thing I love is my boyfriend. His name is Josh. I call him Joshy or baby boy or he likes to be called daddy. He likes that. So why not? Sometimes I'll say that. I haven't said it recently though.
Because we have split personalities. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Stop telling them that. Shut up! You try to get my dad sleeping back on inside. Let's go around taking it on.
All the ways you wish you could be, that's me. I look like you want to look. I fuck how you want to fuck. I'm smart. But most importantly, I am free in all the ways that you are not.